What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to do the spark plugs in an '04 Honda Civic. First, you use the flathead. Do make sure to disconnect the wire before you take off the coil pack. Then disconnect each coil pack. Make sure to apply even pressure when you're pulling these out. Do not yank it on one side. To get the spark plug out, you need a 5/8 socket or a 16 millimeter. As far as the new one, they should be pre-gapped, but make sure that this bar makes a 90-degree angle and it's over top of this electrode right here. Once you're done putting together the last one, put a nut on it, torque them all down, then put the face cover inside these holes. Turn it to the right. I'm happy that I did these. These are pretty worn. If you reach, I teach. Reach out what you want to learn next.